All right, let's play some blues now. And the blues is a style of music that has influenced jazz and rock and roll and all poppy music today, actually. That's a lot of fun, and it's really cool on the trombone because, well, this is kind of a blues instrument to begin with. Let me play this tune for you. Did you hear the drum set? I did. The 12-bar blues is a very famous form, and basically, you repeat the same idea 3 times with an answer. So the first section, you know the song. That repeats 3 times with a little catchy melody in the middle, and then there's an answer at the end. And it had a pretty cool lick with me sliding with the slide. And then the cool lick again. Okay? Now, this is kind of low on the trombone, and we're moving our slide quickly from the 6th position to the 1st position. So we have to be very robotic, but at the same time, it has to have a cool sound to it and not quite so rigid. Will be one way to do it. We have to be a little looser. I try to be a little looser with my wrist so that I can flick the slide in the right position. Like that. Also, what's really important is the way that you're going to articulate. We're not going to play it like a classical piece of music where every note has the same articulation. Do, 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 do. Doesn't sound very bluesy, but do, do, da, do, do, do sounds a lot bluesier, and that's the articulation I'm using. If we look at the end of the piece, there's a fermata, and that's also called a bird's eye. And that means you hold the note out at least twice its length. And I'm hearing the drum set at the same time. I'm going to jump back now to measure 5 and 6. The measure 5 and 6 has kind of a response to what I just played before. And that makes you want to also play after that. It's almost like a conversation. Let's take a look at measure 9 and 10 really quickly. Those are grace notes. Grace notes are little notes that are meant to be played out of tempo. So almost like a flam or a drum going ba-dum. But because it's the blues, and I play the trombone, we can use a slide and do a glissando or a gliss on each note. It sounds cooler and more bluesy that way. How about let's play this together again from the beginning. All right? I'll count it off. 1, 2, 1, 2, And that is rockin' the blues.